Papa plane.
What's Papa Plane called? What's the name of Papa Plane?
BA.
And where's BA now?
It's still in England.
Yeah, or it's in the sky on the way here. What can you see out the window? Can you see airplanes?
It's only one.
Only one. Can you see a runway? What country are we in? Oh, EasyJet's coming, Kieran.
It's on the way.
It's on the way, is it? What colour is it?
Orange.
Orange. Do you think EasyJet's going to England? Is he?
Look on the plane.
Look, I can see EasyJet. Look, he's in the video now. There's EasyJet. He'll be coming past in a minute. Can you see him? He's driving past.
What's that? What's that?
That's the announcement. Beeper.
It's an alarm for naughty boys.
Yes.
He said he'd be good from now on.